me happy. I hope it makes you happy. So before you know it, February will be here. Next Friday, I'm not rushing it, but next Friday is the 31st of January. So we're making our way to spring, but right in the middle between now and spring is Valentine's Day. And you know what is always time? Pet time. I know my pets follow me around the house 24/7. If you caught my show here on QVC2 on Sunday night with Melissa McGough, we were getting a snowstorm, so I did it from home. I didn't come into the studio. I had Finnegan asleep on the couch, and then Nori was walking through like she owned the joint, which she kind of does when Finnegan allows her to do it, right? But I know you all feel the same because we love our pets. And at the Quacker Factory, everybody on the design team has dogs or cats or both, like me. So we love to showcase them. And here we're doing it on beautiful, bright waffle knit, a 675-839, 60% cotton, 40% polyester. It's new at the end of December. Long sleeves, round neckline. Oh, let me get that little fuzzy off here. I hate when that happens, but it happens. On the pink, the hot pink, we have Labradoodle-ish and a little corgi wearing a little hearts, holding little hearts. Super stinking cute. Oh my goodness gracious. Surrounded with pink stones. And then here at the bottom, we have a collie and a couple of other cute little doggies there. Okay. I would have 100 dogs if we had a farm because there's so many that just need some love. Both our cat and dog are rescues. And I just love that. They're so appreciative. Look at the little heart patch over the eye. Super cute. All right, that's the hot pink dog. And then the one that I'm wearing, and I know I've been dancing around a bit, so I promise that we will let our fabulous team zoom in a little close so you can see the detail on this. So we have our kitty cats here, just a little on the upper right shoulder, a little on the lower left hip. You can see the brown tones in the embroidery. That's why I wanted to wear the espresso pant, because I just think that is just a nice little accent, really pulls out those tones. And then down here, more kitty cats. Meow, meow. There's my little Nori. I have to tell you a funny story. Every time I open my closet, she hops in because she thinks for me to lure her out, I will give her a treat or something. But lots of different colors of fabric here. I'm sorry, of embroidery here. There we go. And, you know, this just, maybe you have a friend who just adopted a new kitty cat or puppy dog. My cousin works at a vet hospital. And so, you know, they have a dog. They've always had dogs in their past. Oh, you're seeing this on beautiful Jackie. She's 5'9" and she wears size large. And she's doing it so beautifully there. I love that pink on her. Two easy choices, a 675-839, brand new at the end of December, the Valentine Pet Waffle long sleeve top. QVC price, $56. Okay, oh my goodness, we're already at our last item in the show. Unbelievable.